Ha, my people, welcome to another power-packed episode of AutoProTalks, the podcast where we take car knowledge to the next level. I'm your host, Steven, the automotive guru and co-founder of Press Automobile Click. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that affects every Nigerian driver, knowing when it's time to replace a part of your car or sell the car off. You better buckle up and get ready for some wisdom of course. My people, imagine this scenario. You are cruising down the busy streets of Lagos and suddenly your car starts making strange noises. Panic sets in and you wonder, is it time to say goodbye to my beloved car? Fear not, my friends. Today, we are going to navigate through the decision-making process, considering the unique circumstances and considerations we face as Nigerian drivers and car users. Now, let's rev off our engines and explore the key points to consider when making this important decision. First and foremost, safety is the main thing, Jerry. As responsible drivers, we must always put safety first. If your vital parts in your car like brakes or steering, they show signs of wear or failure, don't take and play. Replace that part ASAP to ensure the safety of yourself and your loved ones on the road. Remember, safety no be luxury, it be necessity. Money matter. We don't fit ignore the cost versus value equation sometimes. The cost of replacing a part fit past the value of the car itself. If the repairs could chop all your money like pop-off for suya joints, I beg think twice. Now, wise decision to sell the car off and invest your money wisely, whether for a newer car or other important things for your life. Bros, if you don't enter motor parts market for Nigeria, you go know say availability not the key. Imagine say your car get problem and you don't fit find parts for market. It'll be like to dey find unicorn for Lekki. So before you decide to replace a part, check if the part they are available for your car, make and model. If you know what they, you fit need to consider other options. The car condition and maintenance history is important too. My people, if your car don't pass through rough roads like Michael, and you see plenty mechanic garage like mechanic workshop for Ladebo, you need to ask yourself if the car they even get hope again. Consider the overall condition, mileage, and maintenance history. If it be time to let go and find a more reliable ride. Future plans are very important, my people. Whether not to upgrade to a bigger ride or change your lifestyle, the future plans and personal preferences must influence your decision. Ask yourself, does this car align with my goals and dreams? If the answer is no, don't waste time. Sell that car and step into the future with confidence. Now that we've explored these key points, let's bring it all together, my people. When it comes to deciding whether to replace a part or sell the car off, no be just what they do. Seek advice from trusted mechanic. Do your research and consider your options holistically. It's not easy, but with the right knowledge and a clear vision, you can make the best decision for yourself. But wait, my people, before we wrap up this incredible episode, let me share a story from Prince Automobile Click. We had a customer named Chidi. Chidi na true Lagos boy. He carried on see better days, with plenty wahala for the agent and suspension. Chidi come meet us and we take him straight. We tell him say, Oga Chidi, your car don't try, but you don't reach the point where the cost of repairs you buy the car. Him listen, think about him options and finally decide to sell the car off. Today, Chidi the cruise for a brand new ride and in the enjoy life. It's treat me for body when I see my customers make wise decisions with it change their lives. My people, the road to old car ownership, they filled with twists and turns, and you hold the steering wheel. As Nigerian drivers, we face unique circumstances, and sometimes we need to make rough choices. Trust your instincts, seek advice from professionals, and consider the factors we don't discuss today. And so we go move forward and continue to drive with confidence and style. That's all for today's power-packed episode of AutoProTalks. I hope you enjoyed our discussion on when to replace a part of the car or sell the car off. Remember, as we navigate the Nigerian roads, make we put safety first. Think about the cost and value. Consider part availability. Evaluate the car's condition and maintenance history, and align our decisions with our future plan. If you get any questions or stories to share, I beg reach out to us for our website or social media platforms. We're here to help and guide you on your automotive journey. Before we go, I want to give a shout out to all our powerful listeners who don't show love and support to AutoProTalks. But not too much. Now make us the ginger and they bring the best knowledge and experience to your ears. Until we meet again, my people, remember to check your cars, drive safely, and enjoy the ride of your life. I still the automotive guru for Prince Automobile Clinic. Sign out, one love, one Nigeria.